Imagine this. You're on a business trip, receipts stuffed in your pocket, and zero idea how to translate those crumpled papers into a clear, organized report. Nightmares, right? Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving into the world of Expensify, a powerful tool that turns expense report chaos into a vivid picture of your spending. But before we get lost in the magic of Expense Reports 2.0, there's one thing we need to address: the unbundling fee. The unbundling fee, a little detour. Expensify offers different plans with varying features. The unbundling fee comes into play when you don't use their corporate card, the Expensify card, for at least 50% of your approved expenses. Basically, it's a way for them to incentivize card usage. Here's the breakdown. The unbundling fee is equal to the full price of your chosen Expensify plan. For example, a control plan might cost $9 per user monthly. There's a grace period. Existing customers saw the fee phased in over a year, reaching its full amount in June 2021. But wait, there's more. The fee gets waived entirely if you hit that 50% Expensify card usage mark. Don't quite reach 50%? They have a sliding scale, so the fee is only partially applied. Alright, back to Vivid Accounts. Now, with the unbundling fee out of the way, let's create that crystal clear expense report. Here's how. Step 1. Sign up and get familiar. Head over to Expensify's website and sign up for a free trial. Don't worry, you can switch to a paid plan later if needed. Once you're in, take some time to explore the interface. Get comfortable with features like creating policies, adding users, and navigating the dashboard. Step 2. Capture those receipts. The beauty of Expensify lies in its receipt capturing magic. There are 3 ways to do this. Snap a photo. Use your phone's camera to take a clear picture of the receipt. Expensify automatically extracts the information. Bonus points for good lighting. Forward emails. Did the receipt come in an email? Simply forward it to Expensify's designated email address, and they'll work their magic. Desktop uploader. For those bulk receipt situations, download the desktop app and upload a bunch at once. Step 3. Let Expensify do its thing. Once you capture those receipts, Expensify does the heavy lifting. It automatically reads the date, merchant name, amount, and even categorizes the expense, travel, meals, etc. You can review and edit anything if needed. Step 4. Craft your vivid narrative. Expensify lets you add notes to your expense report. This is where you shine. Explain the context of each expense. Was that fancy dinner a client meeting or a team celebration? Adding details makes your report more than just numbers, it tells a story. Step 5. Submit and breathe easy. Once everything is reviewed and polished, submit your report for approval. Expensify streamlines the process, making it easier for everyone involved. Now, take a deep breath and relax. You've conquered the expense report beast. Bonus tip: embrace the mobile app. Expensify's mobile app is a lifesaver. Capture receipts on the go, add notes while the details are fresh in your mind, and submit reports from anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy reporting.